In today's video, you will see how to introduce the verb be for the purpose of describing the picture in English. Children describe the fox's clothes adventure based on the picture book Foxy Socks by Julia Donaldson. Hi, I'm Mia from Cool School, the language school for young English language learners. We use ChestBook teaching approach, one of the best English learning methods that teaches the use of language. You can learn all about ChestBook teaching in our PVA courses. You'll find the links in the description below. But let's talk about today's activity. We'll combine gamification in learning, verb be, and easy English. So we'll be using flashcards for kids that have pictures and the words on the same side. We'll be using the clothes vocabulary because the fox was searching for the clothes. And to make the game a little bit more complex, we'll be using colors as well. Separately, we'll have two cards with the verb be in singular and in plural, together with a personal pronoun that indicates the singular and the plural. On the card, we also have the indicator for singular and plural nouns regarding articles. In a memory game, the win usually is when a person gets two, could be more, identical cards. In our memory game, the match is when a person gets one card with a piece of clothing on it and another card with a smudge of color. And once they find the match, they need to put the matching words in a sentence. Let's see how it works. Okay, so we have cards displayed for a memory game. If it's my turn, then I pick two cards and turn them over. I have a cardigan and I have black color. That is a match. So I put them together in a sentence. How? The adjective always comes before the noun. So I have black cardigan. A comes before black. And because we only have a cardigan that covers one body, not two, we are going to need a singular of the verb be. So we say it is. This article comes in front of the adjective. So we say it is a black cardigan. I said the sentence correctly. So two cards are mine. Let's try the next one. I have the color orange and I have mittens. Let's put them together in a sentence. We have two mittens because we have two hands. So this is not singular but plural. If it is plural, it is not it is, but they are. So we start the sentence with they are. There is no article in front of the mittens because it is plural. So there is no article in front of the adjective. They are orange mittens. And again, the cards are mine. Now let's see how the kids played it.
Pink.
Okay. It's a match. So,
Green.
why green? Because you have how many shoes? Two.
They are pink shoes.
Perfect. It's a cap because it's just one, yes. Now the color, do you remember what the color was? Right, orange. Now, how many caps do you have there? One. For one
Head.
For one head. So now, are you going to use for one it's or they are? Which one is correct one? For one. It is, yes. Now you put first it is. Take it. It is. Then the color. And then the cap. Now you read.
It is a yellow cap.
Okay. It is a yellow cap, but it is actually an orange. So it is an orange cap. What do you have? Now you need a color. What's that?
Jacket.
How many jackets do we have? So it is a jacket. Sorry, that's not a match.
Socks.
And the color, go ahead. Yep. What's the color? Brown, okay. Now the socks. How many socks do we have? Two. Is it gonna be it is or they are? Do you remember? That's right, they are. How are you gonna put that together?
It.
No, what does it say here? They are. What's the color?
Brown.
So they are brown.
Sock.
Yeah, they simply loved this challenging game. With this fun English game, they do not only repeat the vocabulary from the picture book, but they also learn the English sentence structure, when to use they are and when to use it is. They also need to know that the article comes before the adjective, and of course that the article dictates the use of personal pronoun. So, if there is no article, we have they. If there is an article, we have it. With flashcards, grammar is explained visually and tactile. Indeed, this is not just a memory game. This is a memory game for brain training. Okay, give me the like for this video if you found it useful. This is your thank you to me, and this way you encourage me to post more videos. Thank you. And are you subscribed yet? If not, you know the drill. Next week, we'll wrap up this project. You'll see how children use the language with a picture book, Foxy Socks by Julia Dalton. See you soon!